services do you provide?
We've got a full factory service of test beds, 100 tonne horizontal, a 10 tonne vertical. Also we've got the mobile test truck to attend site, plus a full repair service, plus all new products provided by LiftSafe, Gunny Bow and PWB. Yes, here at Barry Evans Lifting we have a full range of slings, flat webbing and round, some people call them endless or soft slings, anywhere from 1 tonne to 50 tonne, as you can see, and they come in all tonnages and colours to the Australian standard, and we purchase them from a company called LiftSafe Australia. We have a wide range of chain slings from Gunny Bow made in Sweden. We have one here for grade 100 to the Australian standard 3775.1 2014. They're made here and tested, and we have the range from 6mm to 32mm available.